Hi, what's up guys? It's me, Elle, your girl. So, wala kaming work. Sobrang nabuburo na po ako dito sa bahay. But I guess we have to stay safe every day just so that we can fight the coronavirus spreading out. Diba? So, makinig na lang po tayo so that we can be healthy and be back with our lives all throughout. So, today, ang gagawin ko po ay magluluto. Magluluto ako ng Maruya. Banana Maruya. Ang tawag mo? Basta, ganun. Maruya banana recipe. So, I'm gonna show you how I do it. First time ko po siyang gagawin. So, hope you guys enjoy. And, I'm gonna show you, like, what ingredients are needed, basically. And, sobrang dali niya lang pong gawin. So, ang mga ingredients for our Maruya banana recipe ay water, oil, egg, pancake creamy and fluffy mix from Magnolia. This is just optional, but I have cinnamon, and of course, our main ingredient, bananas. So, let's start. Okay, first step is to put your pancake mix in a bowl. So there you have it. Alright, next step is to put your egg. After the egg, you can put your oil, about 2 tablespoons. Next is to put a half cup of water. Of course, cinnamon mix. Next step is to smash your bananas or dice them into tiny cubes so that you can put them in your bowl. There you go. And of course, you mix them very well until you get the thick consistency like this. Don't forget to preheat your oil in a pan, and we're ready to fry. Okay guys, so unfortunately the end result is this. So I was expecting like a fritter, but it turns out to be a banana pancake. Hi guys, ako tatapos ko lang po magluto nung supposedly Maruya banana recipe. Unfortunately, hindi siya naging Maruya. Kasi normally para siyang fritters. Alam niyo yun. Itsura niya parang fritters lang na maliliit. Tapos medyo crunchy. Pero hindi. Feeling ko na sobrahan ko siya ng water. Tapos para talaga siyang pancake. Although masarap pa rin siya. Yung lasa is more on the pancake side, not the fritter side. So, yun, naubos rin naman. Kaya, okay lang. So, but next time, I'm gonna try to do my best. A more complex recipe. I think it's still good. But then, iba kasi yung gusto ko yung Maruya talaga. Imbes na pancake. So, yeah, we'll see. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. And I hope you guys are being safe at home. I'm just taking this time to let you know that we need to follow para maging healthy na tayo and we can go back with our lives or whatever we're doing. Yun lang po. So, keep safe, be good, and God bless us all.